Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Kaizer Chiefs versus Orbit College. What a game bafowethu. What a game for Kaizer Chiefs. Ngabe labantu laba bashaye I think boma 6-7 goals. Ama-opportunities amaningi bawagejile, but asingene kuma-big moments of the game siqale ngawo. UShabalala 4 minutes nje igame eqeda ukuqala, uthole i-big opportunity wayishaya phakathi umfana after-ke i-good play from uVilakazi noLokhunja noThabiso Munyane ba-connect. But-ke igame i-change kakhulu bafethu second half. Yabona second half kula bathole khona ama-opportunity. I think second half bekumele ngabe bayishayile boma-6 goals, to be honest. But-ke abakwazanga ukushaya lawo magoli lawo. But yeah, I mean, encouraging performance mesibheka bafethu ukuthi bakwazile ukuwathola ama-opportunity nokwa-creator. I mean, u-Ighodaro sithe nje sibuye second half, I think boma 47 minutes ibuye, big opportunity ayitholile i-Ighodaro wayigeja. Good assist from uVilakazi, but uma uyibheka le opportunity leya, a good run from u-Ighodaro ukuthi uVilakazi ulukile ibhola laba phezulu, and u-Ighodaro was able to bully i-defender aligudluze laphana, and then azange akwazi ulishaya kahle la bhola ngoba belibhampa la phezu kwamabhali. Umthetho, there was an opportunity la umthetho vele waba careless khona, lucky enough usurvivile kuleya chance leya. I-Orbit College ayikwazanga ukupenetrate nokuthola ilokhunjana i-chance. uVilakazi-ke ube ne-good game, angifuni ukuqamba amanga bafethu, ucreate ama-opportunities amaningi. Siyazi ukuthi ushaye a beautiful goal before laphana bamreplace, but khona ama-moments wakhe engifuna ukubuyela kuVilakazi. Khona la ashaya i-10 yomhlaba bafethu, i-ground lonke lazamazama i-stadium because of ama-fans athandile la moment leya, then waphasa uShabalala-ke ibhola lakhe balibloka to in i-corner kick. What I like, I think we have to appreciate uVelebayi, because uVelebayi umuntu ongenile ku-Kaizer Chiefs wa-create ama-opportunities. Why? For the first time in a long time bafethu sibona umuntu makaphethe ibhola ya-square, mayephethe ibhola ya-square akadlaleli ukuthi abheke ukuthi ufuna take players on, adlala ama-short passes. No, uya-square, uwafakile amabhola amaningi, and ucreate-ele uThabiso Munyane big opportunity, wayigeja uThabiso Munyane. But-ke it was deflected to be a corner kick, but one of the big opportunities Kaizer Chiefs ewagejile laphana. They cannot afford ukugeja ama-opportunities angaka, because of sibonile bageja ama-opportunities amaningi. Sase 2-1 iscore, Orbit College yakora from a corner, kore uLukhele. A poor defense from ubani uMcCarthy bafethu. In terms of kusho ukuthi kuma-aerial balls uba easily exposed because of akakwazi ukurida kahle, and then akabhekanga ukuthi emuva kwakhe kuzabani. So kumele ukwazi uma uyi-defender ube alert, because uyi-last man laphana, usekugcineni. Isikhathi esiningi makuza amabhola kumele ubheke esayidini ukuthi khona bani before kusquare ibhola, and then ukwazi ukureact. But uMcCarthy uyakwazi ukulidlala ey'nyaweni isikhathi esiningi, but kusho ukuthi emoyeni kakhulu, sibonile iphutha. Sithembe ukuthi izinto abazolungisa lezi heading to amanye amagame, because ama-team azobona ukuthi ama-square Kaizer Chiefs isikhathi esiningi uma kunoMcCarthy akakwazi ukudila nama-aerial balls, but-ke amaphutha ayenzeka. But-ke not that you can't give a goal that cheap. uVilakazi bafethu uthole i-big chance. Okay, kube nama-moment la uVilakazi engifile ngathi u-greedy bafethu, awu-2 bekumele aphase, but-ke yena ufuna ukushaya. Khona nala like ku-angle engamvumeli at all ukuthi ashuthe, but-ke ushuthile uVilakazi. Ku-Golden Boy simbonile uShabalala laphana ukuthi ushaya amagoli ayi-2 plus ne-assist. Igame bokuyeyakhe, mina uyo-assiste uVilakazi meshaya igoli elihle kakhulu, so bekuyigame yakhe uVilakazi. Siyazi ukuthi manje uShabalala, siyazi ukuthi leli lesi-2 uliqedelele because of u-Ighodaro bam-assistile, wathola i-chance, ukhipha wayivimba ngey'nyawo, and then ibhola lawela esayidini lakaShabalala wakwazi ukufika aliqedelele fast. Hugo Broos bekhona-ke lapha kuma-grandstand ebukele igame, bebona i-Kaizer Chiefs ithola ama-results a-right kakhulu. Yeah, what a game for i-Kaizer Chiefs. uPeterson naye ukwazile ukusave, ukushaya ama-golden save. I mean, bawatholile ama-opportunity bafethu, even after ama-replacement bareplaceile laphana u-Ighodaro, bafaka uSilva, bafaka oModi, bafaka oSolomonzi, bafaka uGustin Sereno. uSilva uthe eqeda ukungena nje athola i-big opportunity, but-ke bamphasile kahle uGustin Sereno. I think if ngikhumbula kahle uGustin Sereno omphasile laphana eDroppers, washo ukuthi-ke uya esayidini kakhulu walishaya, ulikwazile ukulishaya kahle, but-ke ya la side net, la hit i-side net, golden opportunity gone. But-ke bawa-create-ile ama-opportunity labantu bafowethu, like bekumele bayiwine kalula le game le, but khona ama-standout performers ekumele siwancome. I-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, I think okwinike azange babe-expose kakhulu, ba-make sure ukuthi bayadlala laphana, bayadiliva. I mean uThabiso Munyane laphana emuva badlale kahle kakhulu, and then i-Kaizer Chiefs over masibheka igame nje yonke, i-defense idlale kahle kakhulu, but-ke kube nama-nervy moment. I-Kaizer Chiefs i-defense yabo inokuxega laphana emuva because of they needed uPeterson kwamanye ama-moment ukuthi aphume azoba-rescue-a for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi basurvive, because uma ba-attack-iwa kusho ukuthi baba off balance, abakwazi ukudefenda kahle i-team if like ilokhu yaba-attack because bajwayele ukudlala ibhola, ba-comfortable on the ball isikhathi esiningi. So i-defense yabo kumele ihlezi i-alert because of you never know, like igoli elilodwa li-change igame yonke, i-complex of igame, and then so uyadefenda sebaya-attack-a. Imagine i-Kaizer Chiefs mazithi 2-1 igame beseyifavani, bekumele kahle kahle igame ifavor i-Orbit College, but i-Kaizer Chiefs beyi-too powerful compared to lokhu njani Orbit College. I saw this thing ebengisho ukuthi umthetho aqale ulo uMaboy if uqale negame because umthetho uluza amabhola amaningi kakhulu laphana eswini, and amabhola angaba dangerous if badlala ne-team ehlakaniphile. But-ke we can't crucify umthetho because of he has been performing for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke I think baba uneasy as i-Kaizer Chiefs umthetho mebamba ibhola because of isikhathi esiningi it is predicted vele kuyaziwa ukuthi uzolose ibhola or uzoshaya i-bad pass. Ucele ngibonile udlalile Ucele, I think ugain i-confidence second half ube ngconywana compared to ilo first half. I mean first half it was just a poor display from yena ukuthi aluze amabhola kangaka, but I think ukuthi bamgcinile isikhathi eside laphana egamini, i-build confidence yakhe, and then he started to pick up. But yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs idinga more from Ucele, idinga way more from Ucele futhi laphana esiswini. Yingakho uma ubheka kunama-player ulo akakadlali amagame amaningi masibheka laphana, uMaboy, uNdlovu is still dealing with i-injury yakhe, uSheslett akakadlali. Okay, akadlali iposition efana neyakalo, but sengiyabala nje ukuthi khona abantu abangakadlali, kuya nge-formation i-coach engayidlala. Abantu abaningi abanye bazostruggle if they don't pull up their socks because kumele badelive, but-ke bona khona labantu laba abangadelive kumele badelive. But yeah man, I was impressed by performance yabo. Bekumele bashaye boma-6-7 goals laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs, but hayi bayageja, idimoni labo last season bafowethu sasekhona namanje, but good game overall, good game from uPeterson, brilliant saves awashayile. Sithemba ukuthi Hugo Broos uzomnothisa. Badlalile abafana mesibheka laphana. I think yabo khona nayinto ulo uShabalala bafethu angaba world class, like uShabalala kumele athikhe nje izinto ezifew ukuthi abe world class, like siyamazi ukuthi uyadlala, yazi khona ama-moment la ufuna ukutrap ibhola aphole a-relax noma to take players on. Isikhathi esiningi makabamba ibhola ufuna ukubhitha umuntu or enze something, kanti kwesinye isikhathi mbamba ibhola or mliza kuyibhola phasa same time umove, ucreate i-space for abanye abantu ukuthi bakwazi ukubhenefitha from wena, ucreate kuma-move wakho a-good. So into maybe uShabalala okumele azame uku-improve kuyo, abe quick like ebholeni pa, because khona ama-moment la bengithi ngi-expect ukuthi uzophasa, but-ke angeke aphase same time or ngeke aphase immediately. So yizo nje into ey'ncane laphana anga-improve. Yeah, vele obviously i-fitness level masiyibheka vele siyambona ukuthi usemuva kancane. Siyazi ukuthi obvious sekane-Kaizer Chiefs for over 2 months, but nje kumele a-improve i-match fitness yakhe. Once wathola i-match fitness and then waba ne-confidence, ajwayele ukudlala for i-Kaizer Chiefs, phela manje akakajwayeli ukudlala to be fair, akakajwayeli. Once wajwayela abantu basenkingeni enkulu. Sibone ulokhunjana abafethu uGustin Sirino ashaya i-run enhle kakhulu, a-create ilokhunjana i-opportunity laphana. USilva wakwazi ukushaya igoli, ngambona celebrate laphana edansa. I mean, yeah, uSilva, I mean, ungena njalo second half. Kusho ukuthi if lela bhola lithole kuShabalala phela, kusho ukuthi uShabalala ushaye ama-assist awu-2 plus ama-mesh awu-2. Bekuyeyakhe igame. Bekuyeyakhe igame uShabalala. Ngisasho, uShabalala, i-decision making makangaba quick, angaba easily one of the best players in South Africa. If angadlala abe quick, isikhathi esiningi angalibambi ibhola ukuthi ufuna ukuba comfortable nebhola, alibambe aphase amuve abanike ispace, cause uyakwazi ukulicontrol ibhola, une-skill, u-super talented, una-everything. Cause nale bhola leli ubani uSirino amnike lona, leli bekumele ashaye i-hat-trick yakhe, ulitrap-e kabuhlungu. Cause I think i-anticipation yebhola ulitrap-e kabuhlungu lela bhola lela, sibonile ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Lucky enough-ke uSilva bekakhona ukuthi aliqede leli bhola. But good performance from i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ujabulele uSilva, uyasho ukuthi hey ngaze ngabathola madoda. Uyawashaya amagoli. I think into bengisho ukuthi uSilva ulethelwe ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ashaye amagoli kuphela. Le nto le ukuthi abe-fancy akahlale laphana ebhokisini abashayela amagoli, into ayilethelwe yona le. There's nothing. And then okay, before ngikhohlwa la, uGustin Sirino, there are times la ngathi udlalela yena yedwa, awufuna ukugijima nebhola isikhathi esiningi, naye omunye nje okumele siyazi ukuthi uyalazi ibhola, fine. But-ke abadlale as i-team, like badlale as i-team noGustin Sirino uma bathola ama-chance, bakwazi ukuwa-release amabhola fast, yabo. But-ke good performance from Kaizer Chiefs, congratulations. Yingakho as much as like bakwazi ukuwina, but kumele sibheke amanye ama-moment la sibona khona ukuthi i-team overall improve. Danke bafethu. Golden Black bahleli le phezulu manje kulika, akufani ama-leading top goal scorer e-Kaizer Chiefs, uSilva uyalida laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi una-4 goals, and then uShabalala omlandelayo laphana ngamagoli. Imagine uShabalala is not even a striker, but-ke already unawo amagoli nyana this season. And uyakwazi uku-assista given an opportunity to assist. Simbonile ubushaya iphasi elihle kakhulu for ubani umjita la, ubani uSolomonzi. uSolomonzi walisquare ibhola, usquarela ulona uSilva noShabalala laphana ebhokisini. They were supposed to just bury that chance, but-ke bahlulekile. uSilva ngazi ukuthi mude, unayo yonke into, ohlulekile ukuvele ushaya ilo second goal yakhe laphana for i-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke a good game for i-Kaizer Chiefs, good win. Danko bafethu. Well, into abanga-builder from yona going forward. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs.